Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lin Fung from Eduling International Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you a website that I have been using for a long time. I hope that it will be helpful to those of you who want to learn new words and who want to have deep knowledge of these words. So let me share with you my screen. Okay, so let me take you there. The name of the website is wordandphrase.info. So you just have to type wordandphrase.info. Actually, this is part of a corpus of contemporary American English. So if you're interested in this corpus, I can show you how to use it later. There are two versions now of the website, but I still like the old version. So I want to show it to you first. You have to go all the way down here and you look at the gray text here. You're going to click on it. So it's going to take you to this page. It looks colorful. I like it. It's easier to use. If you are curious about a word and you want to see a lot of examples of how the word is used, you can click frequency list here and you can type a word here. So I'm going to type just analyze here and then you're going to click search. Okay. And here you already see a lot of information. What you can see here is it is a verb. It is used almost 17,000 times in this corpus, and it is mostly used in academic texts. So it is a good academic word to learn. When you look down here, you will see even more information. So you're going to see the definition. It is always helpful to have a definition, just like a dictionary. And then you're going to see collocates. So collocates are words that go together with this word. You say data, analyze data. Maybe analyze also means study, or analyze a study, analyze a sample, analyze information, analyze an article. And here, if you want to look at examples, what I like to do is I often sort on the left here and on the right here. And you can see how analyze is used with other words or other phrases here. So you have analyze a data set, analyze a package of, analyze a player's success or failure. So this is really helpful. And you can also see that it is used with other verbs as well. And it is really common. It is really commonly used in the passive voice. So that's really helpful. You can also sort by the left column here. And again, you can see that it is used with other verbs, describe and analyze, gathering and analyzing more data. Let's see what else here. But you see scratch and analyze verbs that often go with analyze. And this can be really helpful when you try to write and use these words in your sentences. When you look at the left here, you are going to see some synonyms. So synonyms are words that have similar meanings, but be careful about using these words, and you should always check the meaning of these words to be sure about the differences, to be sure of the differences here. So for example, you have the word examine, you can click on it, and now you see more information on the word examine as well. Okay, so I hope that it is helpful, and I'm gonna show you another feature that is really interesting as well. So when you wanna see the list of words, then you're gonna click on frequency list, but you can also analyze texts. So click on this and you can see a window here or a box here, and you can copy your text and analyze it. So let me copy a text from my website here from eduling.org, and I'm gonna put it in here. And then I'm gonna click search. Voila, you see the result here with a lot of colors. So when you look at this, what you see here is that in this text, I use 85 words because some words are repeated. So these are 85 individual words. This gives you an indication of how many words you use in a paragraph. Now, when you look at the different colors here, they mean different things. And this is frequency range, how frequently these words are used in this corpus. So the blue color here means that they are mostly used in the first, they are the first 500 most frequent words in this corpus. And then here, this is the next range, the green color here means that these words are used in this frequency range. And the yellow means that these words are less commonly used. So you can see that mostly the words that I'm using here belong to the frequency, the most frequent word list. And then I have some green words here that are less frequent, and 26% of them belong to this range. And then I have some less frequent words in yellow here. So you can see that the text perhaps is complex, but not too difficult for people to read because it is on my website. So I don't want to make it too difficult either. This will give you an indication of what types of words that you're using and whether you use a variety of words in your writing. You can also compare your text with other people's text to see the differences. So this can be really helpful when you want to increase the diversity of the words that you are using in your writing. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam, maybe you want to showcase your vocabulary and you can analyze your text to see the diversity of the words that you're using. So I hope that the information is helpful. I encourage you to explore it, play with it to see what you learn from it. When you can see a lot of examples of how a word is used, you have a deeper understanding of the word. So I recommend it. So thanks for listening. See you next time.